Hello mga kaibigan, niyaya nga pala ako ng aking kapatid sa kanilang bahay upang kuhanan daw siya ng video kasi daw ito daw ang aming first vlog. So ayun na nga, kunyari daw ay mag-iinom siya at ang kanyang pulutan na yung isang bilaong mani. Ayun nga, kung makikita nyo na ang bote ay may takip pa. So kitang-kita naman na isa itong malaking pagpapanggap.
To all of those years, be your love, a rainbow of tears. You watch your dreams all fading away. This time you're right. Oh, you make my day. Yes, me come. Yes, me go. Yes, love you and I want you to know.
Abay, feel na feel pa nga ng aking kapatid ang kanyang pagkakanta. Kung makikita nyo naman ay may paggalaw-galaw pa ng ulo, may papikit-pikit pa. Kala mo naman sa kagandahan ng boses.
Someday you're tired of being alone. Some hearts are diamonds, some hearts are stone. It takes two lovers to be as one. I will just like I come and they'll go. Trust in your heart, maybe your love will grow. Your silent tears is so full of pride. Baby, I know that you can cry and hide. You need love like I do. You want me like I know I want you. Diamonds, some hearts are stone. Some days you're tired of being alone. Some hearts are diamonds, some hearts are stone.
Hanggang dito na lang mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat.